guys, this is FixBroz, and today I'm very excited because we got the dart finished up and painted. Right now, we're gonna run to the shop and start buffing it. And it just has very little orange peel right here. That's all we're gonna have to sand, and then we're just gonna give it a good polish. Back here, we have all the polishing supplies, all the buff pads. I just cleaned them up, so they're gonna be perfect. And we got paint for the silver fit. So that's exciting, and we're gonna be using chemical, guys.
The link will be in the description.
Yep, got more sandpaper. The silver fit is gonna be coming along too. It's gonna be getting painted. So there did appear to be a couple dents that we didn't notice. We're gonna have to try, maybe, we're not gonna be painting this. We're gonna buff it out, maybe try pulling out this dent with a special little dent puller. We're probably not gonna succeed with this because it's a bad dent right there. We're gonna try to get this paint looking good. Although I don't like this car, we're gonna try to get it looking shiny. And, well, check this out. That is some bad paint right there. I don't know, this is gonna be a very tough job. Now we're gonna start sanding the dart, and we did find some bug spots like over here. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera really well. And then there's two more right here. The most orange peel is on this part right here on both sides. We're gonna have to sand that down and buff it. Right now I'm wiping up all the dust from the hood with some speed wipe from Chemical, guys. This is some really good stuff right here. Check it out. I found these scratches right here and a bug spot right here, which I'm gonna have to sand out. Right now, I'm just gonna clean it up, and then we can get to sanding and buffing. Alright guys, I just finished wiping up the hood and all the fenders, and I found some imperfections in the paint, as you can see over there. So I'm just gonna have to sand, I think, the whole hood. 2000 grit and a sanding block, and I'm gonna start. Alright guys, I just finished sanding the hood. I'm gonna complete doing the fender and then the orange peel on the bumper. I think it's about time to start buffing. So now we can start taking out the cutting pad and buffing this up. All right, guys. So we're gonna switch to this bigger pad. So let's just do this. While we're buffing this right here, my dad is doing the paint prep for the silver fit because it's gonna get painted. So it's all gonna get taped up and then painted. This car is getting buffed next. before we go, check out all these new lights that we got. So all of the prep for the paint is done on the silver fit, and it's a good thing that we got a silver door because we don't have to paint the insides. The bumper's ready, the door is ready. We are finished buffing the dart though. The whole body is done except the glass, but check out that shine, it's super shiny. So it's kind of getting dark right now, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it's the next day here, and we decided not to buff the windows. So right now we're actually gonna give it a wash. And after that, we're gonna put some coating on it that I'm very excited to show you guys. Coating it with TopCoat F11. TopCoat F11 is a polish and sealer, and it covers a lot of surfaces like cars, motorcycles, planes, boats. What are those? I don't know, like a shovel, and a bell. That's a bell right there. I think you know this thing. Ding, ding, ding. A house, a fence, and a steamboat, or what is that? Or a submarine. What comes with the kit is this big bottle right here, and this small bottle right here. This is for little detail parts. This is just, you know, spraying it on big areas like this hood right here. And it comes with 2 very nice microfiber towels. These are very high quality, very soft, very big. And it also does work on plastic. It works on any surface on a car. Glass, plastic, rubber, paint,
even your headlights.
So let's go ahead and try it out right now and see how it works. We're gonna do a quick comparison. That half is not gonna be coated. This half will be coated.
This is where the line is.
Oh my goodness! Is this stuff real?
This is like a different color.
Oh my, guys, this stuff, go buy it. The link is in the description, guys. Look. So go grab yourself some F11 top coat. The link will be in the description. This is the best stuff right here. I'm only using TopCoat F11. Wax doesn't work as great as this does, and ceramic coat takes a while. And before we wrap up this video, I just want to thank everybody for letting us hit 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds for giving us a shout out. That really helps out a lot. And we did start a Patreon, so go check it out in the link in the description. Also, go check out our merch. We have some cool designs in our merch website, and all the products and tools that we use in this video will be in the description. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button. If you're not a subscriber, press that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.